Looking for an RCA cable that truly elevates your audio system? The Rockville RTR032 3-foot 2-channel twisted pair RCA cable promises exactly that: a clean, distortion-free signal that unlocks your gear's full potential. With 100% oxygen-free copper and advanced shielding, this cable ensures your sound stays crisp and clear, no matter the setup. When I first swapped out my old, cheap RCA cables for the Rockville RTR032, the difference was immediate. The triple shielding and twisted pair design cut down interference noticeably, letting my amplifiers deliver pure, accurate sound. What really stood out was the flexibility of the cable. Routing it through my system was effortless thanks to the slick sheathing. Plus, the split-pin technology gave me a rock-solid connection every time, so no signal dropouts or static noise to worry about. This cable isn't just about performance, it's built to last. The 100% oxygen-free copper core resists corrosion, and the woven outer shield protects against magnetic interference. Whether you're running a modest setup or a high-end system, these cables maintain outstanding frequency response and noise rejection. Color-coded channels make installation quick and foolproof, so you spend less time fiddling and more time enjoying your music or video. If you're tired of cheap RCA cables holding back your sound, the Rockville RTR032 is worth a look. It's a smart investment that delivers premium audiophile quality without breaking the bank. Available in lengths from 3 to 25 feet, it fits any setup size. Plus, Rockville backs it with a 1-year warranty, so you know they stand behind their product. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or refining your audio rig, these cables bring clarity and durability to the table. If that's you, give the Rockville RTR032 a try when you're ready. It's a simple upgrade that makes a noticeable difference: cleaner signals, less noise, and reliable connections every time.